Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am going to check out this new bicycle mount that I got. Darn it, I'm not going to be able to put my phone on it right now because I'm videoing with it. But we're going to show you it anyway. I'll unbox it and try to set it up, and you'll see how it works from that. How about that? And I don't have my bike here, but we're just going to hook it up to this handle, which is about the same size as my bicycle thing. And we'll just give it a test and see how tight it gets and everything like that. So here we go, opening it up. There's really no instructions at all on it. Well, I guess the instructions are right there. So just basically tie it on and screw it up. It comes with, let's see, what's this? Oh, well, comes with a little extra piece of rubber and then the little loopy thing to get it on there. And I'm guessing in order to put it on, I mean, I've put on a million of these things before like this, so I know how. My camper uses the same kind of apparatus. But so, the way it works is we'll put it around. So if we were going this way, we'll put it around, but I want to put the little rubber piece in there, just around it like that, so it'll give it some grippiness so it won't rotate, you know, because otherwise the things will rotate on you. And then, let's see. So I'll just put it there, and I'll put it up here. This has got a rubber handle, so it really, it's kind of double. I don't need that rubber thingy. I guess if you have a good rubber handlebar stuff, you probably wouldn't need it either. So let's see how we do here. I know on one of these ones that I have, the one I have on my electric bike, it slips. So that one, it's such a pain in the butt because that little, the little screw thingy here slips. But this one here seems like it's got some better grooves. We'll see. We'll see how it does. And you see, as I'm screwing it in, the little tabs comes out. So it works pretty good. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, we're pretty tight now because it's not rotating. But there, okay, so there we go. So now I have it on there, and I'll do it pretty tight. Okay, there, it's about as tight as I can screw it right there. And it does not rotate at all, which is really nice because my other one just did not get tight enough, which is good. And this has got a really small diameter too, so this one's gonna be great. And now let's check out these things here. And you can see these are nice and flexible, so you kind of just put them around your phone. Like, let me see what I have. This is almost the same size as the phone. So if I put my phone, you know, it kind of would wrap there and there. And it's gonna totally hold it in place. It's not gonna hold this in place because it doesn't wrap all the way around the front. But you get the idea. It will hold it there in the back and then in the front. I'll try this again on my bike, but I don't have it right now. But there we go. So there, it would hold it like that. It seems pretty good to me, actually. I like this one. And it was so inexpensive too. And see, it's gonna hold this little box even on there, which doesn't even wrap around the top of it. So it's gonna hold it on there. And what I like, I'm gonna take it off. What I like is it just doesn't rotate around. So many of those ones just don't get tight, and then they rotate as you're biking and stuff, and as you're bouncing, it rotates. This one here really isn't going to, so totally way better than the other ones I got. And it's such a great price, and it's such a simple, minimalist one. And me, I have a bike that weighs almost nothing. It's a nice road bike. So you definitely want light. And a lot of these other ones, these other contraptions that have all these buttons and switches and scrunch it in and out, they got weight to them. This one here weighs almost nothing. Let me take this off here. I'll kind of hold it again and show you it close because I really like this. I mean, I get so few. I don't buy bike mounts, but look, there's really not much to this, but the durability of it is really nice. It rotates too, so you could have it sideways if you wanted to, if you like to. If you have like maps or something like that you want to look at. So it's got enough that does that, but it really weighs so light, way less than my phone or anything like that. So I'm gonna give this one a super thumbs up. I'm not even sure of the brand, but I'm gonna look it up, and I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. It was just from Amazon. So if you guys want one, you can get one for yourselves. I'm gonna go set this one up on my bike in the morning and probably go for a ride too. So I'll let you know how that works as I do that. But that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.